Heated moments in the courtroom. For the very first time, we are hearing from Royce Ruby Jr., the Baltimore County police officer who fired the fatal shot that killed Korryn Gaines. Gaines' family is suing the county and some of the officers involved for $4 million, claiming they were reckless and irresponsible. WJZ is live in Towson. Rick Ritter has more on the emotional day. Rick?
Mary, this was explosive testimony. Officer Ruby was on the stand for more than 3 hours. He even held the 12-gauge shotgun that Korryn Gaines had that day. He held it up in front of the jury. On the stand, he said, quote, "I had no choice. Officers would have died that day if I didn't take that shot." It was a day of tense moments and fiery exchanges as Officer Royce Ruby took the stand in his own defense. Ruby, the Baltimore County officer who killed Korryn Gaines after a 6-hour standoff, the young mother live-streamed on social media. On Monday, an emotional Ruby said, "I gave her every opportunity to do the right thing, put the gun down and let Cody come out. I took the first shot because I had no choice."
Today, what we've seen is a bunch of testifying and crying.
In cross-examination, Ruby was hammered with questions, with attorneys for Gaines' family claiming he acted recklessly by firing the first shot without knowing where little Cody was. Ruby admitted he never notified his team he was firing and even shot the bullet past another officer's head. Ruby said, "I'm telling you, officers will die unless I take that shot."
He had plenty of choices. The problem is he decided to kill as opposed to use some less lethal method.
While officers testified they felt safe during the standoff with where they were positioned, Ruby said, "We were in danger. Cody was in danger. Miss Gaines was in danger. I was in danger. The entire team was in danger."
He had plenty of choices. The choice is to wait, like everybody else. There was no reason for him to take that shot and to take it when he took it, when she's in the kitchen with her back turned.
On the stand, Ruby says Gaines pointed the gun at him, which he never mentioned in his depositions. Attorney Ken Ravenel was quick to point out, if she pointed that gun at you while you were in the kitchen, you could have wrote that down. And attorneys for the Gaines family have been quick to point out those significant discrepancies between trial testimony and depositions. The defense is expected to wrap up their case tomorrow morning. Live in Baltimore County tonight, I'm Rick Ritter reporting for WJZ.
Rick, thank you. County prosecutors previously found Officer Ruby's shooting legally justified and did not file criminal charges in the case.